So you are a tourism graduate, model, and a licensed financial advisor. What do you plan to focus on as far as your career is concerned?
Well, to everyone to share with you, I am also a student leader and a leader in my community now. I would like to inspire every youth to be more socially aware, not only on focusing their education, but also in focusing in helping our community to be more even better.
And what do you do for fun in San Pablo, Laguna?
Well, if you visit our beloved city, you can see a lot of tourism activities and you can enjoy the beautiful seven lakes in my city. And if you want to really more know about our city, you could go to our museum and even explore our delicacies to feel and taste the culture and traditions in our city. And if you see the smile of the San Pableños, I'm sure you'll definitely will live in our beloved city.
In your travels during the Miss Universe Philippines pageant, what were some of your most memorable moments that you think will encourage others to visit those places?
Well, I am a tourism graduate. I visited several places, and I'm always thankful with the Miss Universe organization for giving us opportunity to visit and explore some provinces here in our country. And I was really mesmerized with the beauty of Sultan Kudarat. As we all know that Sultan Kudarat is one of the places in our country that people think it couldn't be a tourism destination, but when I entered their province, the smile of the people, it really touched my heart and really want me to believe that it could be really a tourism destination in our country, as it could be really a pearl in our country.
And lastly, why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
As an empowered Filipina competing in this year's competition, I am aware that I am competing with the pageant veterans and empowered Filipinas. I am embracing and fearlessly overcoming that challenge, that proving to the universe that I am worthy of the crown, as I am a fortress of my own. And I would like to use this title to inspire every youth of our country to focusing on helping our country to be even more better. And I would like to inspire every single Filipinas that they should live with their dreams and always believe in their heart. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I hope that my short story that I tell to all of you prove that I am a worthy of Miss Universe crown.
Thank you so much, Eunice Deza, San Pablo, Laguna.